The moment you open the box, you will feel this Tronsmart TK09R keyboard is really well built. With a premium finish, it's not lightweight nor too heavy, perfect for office typing or gaming. Now let's take a physical tour of the keyboard. On the back, there is a slot for organizing the cables, 2 foldable rubber stands, along with other Firefix stands. Yes, it's very stable on the table when you are typing. Moving to the side, we got a big LED indicator that syncs the color of the logo on the front. Of course, there's an integrated wrist rest, which is nice because you don't want that thing flopping around when you are on the go. To our surprise, it's got 103 programmable micro keys and a handful of basic media keys. It's not finished yet. Check this out. The typing experience is pretty good. Keystrokes produce a mechanical sound like country music. You are going to love it. Before, I never used a mechanical keyboard, but once I got to use it once, I will never switch back. I really like the satisfying click feature. It's just great. In case you're tired, you can play games on it. How about the gluttonous snake? As for gaming, you can use macros in games like World of Warcraft, Dota, League of Legends, and so on. It's just so much easier with macros. I think the best way to describe my impression of the Tronsmart TK09R is utilitarian. It's got pretty much everything you need and very little that you don't. It has this solid, compact, and premium design. Typing on it is actually a reasonably pleasant experience. No complaints here at all, and with 103 micro keys, man, you are going to win every game or boost your work efficiency significantly. It just offers a happy medium between typing and gaming. If you are looking for a fresh keyboard, something you either want to for work or gaming, look no further than this Tronsmart TK09R mechanical keyboard. I'll put all the links in the description. Please go and check it out and grab one today. I'm Sammy. See you next time.